Hi all, today in this video I am going to discuss about conductors and insulators based on electrostatics. Electrically, most of the materials can be placed in one of the two classes, conductors and insulators. Conductors are those through which electric charge can easily flow. Metals, human bodies, earth, mercury and electrolytes are conductors of electricity. Metals, only the negative charge. In metals, only the negative charge is free to move. Positive charge is immobile. The actual charge carriers in metals are free electrons. In metals, the outer electrons of the atoms leave the atoms and become free to move throughout the volume of the metal. In electrolytes, both positive and negative charges move. The charges in an electrolyte are carried by ions, and it's the ions that move in an electrolyte. Those substances in which electric charge cannot flow are called insulators or dielectrics. Glass, hard rubber, plastics and dry wood are insulators. Insulators have practically no free electrons. An important difference between conductors and insulators is that when some charge is given to a conductor, it readily gets transferred over its entire surface. On the other hand, if some charge is given to an insulator, it stays at the place where it is put on. Thus, coming to conductors, the conductors through which electric charges can flow easily are called as conductors. As discussed, they contain a large number of free electrons, which make them good conductor of electricity. Metals, human and animal bodies, graphite, acids, alkalis are conductors. Insulators. The substances through which electric charges cannot flow easily are called insulators. In the atoms of such substances, electrons of the outer shell are tightly bound to the nucleus. Due to the absence of free charge carriers, these substances offer high resistance to the flow of electricity through them. Most of the non-metals like glass, diamond, porcelain, plastic, nylon, wood, mica are insulators. An important difference between conductors and insulators is that when some charge is transferred to a conductor, it readily gets distributed over its entire surface. On the other hand, if some charge is put on an insulator, it stays at the same place. We shall discuss this distinguishing feature in our upcoming videos. A metal rod held in hand and rubbed with wool does not develop any charge. Do you know the reason for this? This is because the human body is a good conductor of electricity, so any charge developed on the metal rod is transferred to the earth through the human body. We can electrify the rod by providing it a plastic or a rubber handle and rubbing it without touching its metal part. Coming to discuss about earthing or grounding in household circuits and its importance. When a charged body is brought in contact with the earth, through a connecting conductor. Its entire charge passes to the ground in the form of a momentary current. This process in which a body shares its charges with the earth is called grounding or earthing. The electricity from the mains is supplied to our houses using a three-core wiring. The metallic bodies of the electrical appliances such as electric iron, refrigerator, television are connected to the earth wire. When any fault occurs or live wire touches the metallic body, the charge flows to the earth and the person who happens to touch the body of the appliance does not receive any shock. Hope this video is useful for you relating to conductors and insulators and explain some of the important points about these two things, properties, conductors and insulators, these materials. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.